About a year ago, in the year of 2023, we experienced a winter storm in the greater Portland metro area. Naturally, I faced the snowstorm and went out and filmed as much content as I could possibly get. But due to later hard drive crashes and a recovery process, it would have pushed this video's air date to be about mid-summer. So I thought it was a little more appropriate to wait till the following winter to release this episode and share the most incredible time I've ever had in the Columbia River Gorge. Well, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an odd video, very odd. It is a rare day in the Pacific Northwest in my area, which is the Portland metro area, Columbia River Gorge area, Southwest Washington, Northwest Oregon, blah, 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 where there's a blizzard. It's an absolute blizzard right now, and it's not often this happens at this low of altitude in this region. And of course, being a photographer, being an amateur landscape photographer, mind you, I find these opportunities and I have to capitalize on them because this weather is so rare in this area. Gotta do it, had to do it. If you're new here, hello, my name is Elias. I'm an amateur landscape photographer based out of the Pacific Northwest, like I mentioned earlier. And right now we are in the Columbia River Gorge. Now, if you have seen any videos on this channel, you know me, and as most photographers are, we do not like crowded areas. We'd rather, or at least some of us. Some people just go to all the popular spots and just don't mind the crowds, they'll do whatever. But I do not like being around people. When it comes to photography, I want seldom, oh God, my phone's ringing. So what's cool about the snow is that it makes popular areas hard to get to for other people. So it makes places like this somewhere that I want to go to be able to take pictures of it in a rare form of having snow and less people. So here we are. Today, we are in the Columbia River Gorge exploring different areas. My first stop is going to be Multnomah Falls. And if anyone's ever heard of Oregon or the Columbia River Gorge or any of that, you have the iconic Multnomah Falls as the backdrop to everything. It is literally the epicenter of all tourism that come to this area. It is the biggest thing you can come see while you're here. And right now it is a windy, snowy blizzard. It is miserable conditions right now, and I did not bring nearly enough layers to be here in this kind of wind. So we are here, we are parked, it is cold as hell, and I'm gonna take some pictures. So I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna try to stay warm, we're gonna walk over, we're gonna see what's going on. This is nuts because this place is always bustling with people and there's relatively almost nobody here. Probably about 20 people or so, but I'm not kidding. Like usually there are hundreds of people surrounding this area. This is wild to have this place pretty much all to myself is what I consider like in relativity. It's absolutely nuts. Not to mention everything's just covered in snow right now. This is awesome. We could not ask for better conditions than this. This is so sick. So I'm gonna hurry up and get up there. Let's go get our photo. I'm walking up right now and it is so crazy how there's like nobody here. There's 3 people up here. This is awesome. This is literally a winter wonderland right now. I'm gonna try to get this photo real quick, set up for it. Here we go. by far the coolest time I've ever had here since I've lived here. This has been literally nobody here. There's only been a couple people that showed up after I've been filming. I've literally got all my shots and everything that I wanted, all the content, all the videos with nobody here. I don't know too many people that could say that in this area because this is just such a popular area. There's normally hundreds and hundreds of people here at all times. You'll never be here alone. So this is special. So we're gonna go ahead and take off. We're gonna go to Highway 30, historic Highway 30, which is an amazing highway. We're gonna go see one more waterfall and see what we can get. Let's go. Yikes. Whew, that was awesome. I cannot even describe how happy that makes me. That was absolutely amazing. I'm still jazzed on that. So I want to do one more stop since we're here in the Columbia River Gorge, and that's going to be over by Multnomah Falls, and that is on the historic Highway 30. So we're going to go ahead and head up there and see what we can find. Hopefully we can get some more shots. So I just got on the road to this historic Highway 30 and I see this peak right here with the fog surrounding it, and this looks like such a cool shot. I'm gonna grab the big lens, gonna get this one. This is exciting. I'm gonna grab this one real quick before we go to the waterfall. So here we go. What a great day, oh my God. We are almost to the falls. It is getting super dangerous to drive, if I'm being completely honest. The roads are getting pretty slick and it's getting dark. I didn't even realize that sunset is in the next 45 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get this waterfall, find a pic real quick. And that's gonna be my journey through the Columbia River Gorge during this little snowstorm. start, and I need to hurry up and do this to get home, and I'm also taking up meal time, so I'm really up to you here. I've always been here, and I never really know what to get. Composition-wise, it's hard to get a grand vista scene I always feel here. I never got one that I've ever liked, so I'm gonna head down there. It's not very safe, and we're gonna try to get something, so let's see what happens. Day. Wow, what just a random adventure that was. This is what I love to do. I love to go out and just seize the moment and just get the best out of it. And today I couldn't have asked for anything better. That was so sick. That dude, Jamil, like, he was the coolest dude. He was telling me how he wants to start a YouTube channel. He's super big into online marketing and Instagram and social media. Just a really cool dude. And he's like starting a YouTube channel. I'm like, and he's like talking to me about it, and literally just reminded me when I was trying to start this channel. And I was like, he's like kind of like juggling, like, do I just do it? Do I not? And I'm like, go for it, bro. Like, you just have to do it. You just have to just dive in head first and just go for it. I'm not the biggest channel on the planet. Like, trust me, I'm still trying to go. I'm trying to go to 1,000 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't now. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. But if there's one piece of advice that I can offer to anybody, it is just to just do it. Just go for it if you're starting a YouTube channel. But I'm gonna end it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked anything you saw in this video, if you got any value out of this video, if you enjoyed any of the photography or the scenery that you might have seen, please hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously. I am still new to YouTube, and I do need all the help I can get, so please help me out. Hit the like button if you can. Columbia River Gorge is an amazing place to go visit, and is even more amazing if you can catch it during a winter storm. So I need to get back home because I have a feeling traffic's gonna be awful. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.